Hello kids, welcome to my channels. Today we are going to learn ABCD and some number. Let's start. Orange color. A. A for aeroplane. A for arrow. B. B for butterfly. B for ball. C. C for carrot. C for candy. D. D for donkey. D for donut. E. E for egg. E for eggplant. Light green color. F. F for fish. F for frog. G. G for God. G for girl. H. H for house. H for hand. I for ice cream. I for eyes. J. J for joker. J for jug. So kids, now time to learn some numbers. Pink color. One. Pink color. One. O-N-E, one. Pink color. Two. T-W-O, two. Three. T-H-R-E-E, three. Four. F-O-U-R, four. Five. F-I-V-E, five. Purple color. Six. S-I-X, six. Seven. S-E-V-E-N, seven. Eight. E-I-G-H-T, eight. Nine. N-I-N-E, nine. 10. T-E-N, 10. So kids, what we learned today? Orange color, light green color, pink color, purple color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.